Hello everyone, myself is Shivakumar. So today in this section we are going to see the WireShark Lab of DNS. So we will want to know if you want to know what is meant by DNS and what is the real use of the DNS and what is the purpose of the DNS and how this DNS is going to work in the different type of protocols and in the transport layer, how the information is going to get transform and how the information of the domain is what we are using today, how this is going to work and different type of the packets how we are going to capture using the Wireshark. We are going to see in this section. So let's get into it. So first of all, we want to know about what is meant by DNS server. So DNS stands for the domain name system. It is a protocol used to translate the human readable code into the machine readable code that is IP address. Instead of smooth network communication. So like that we have the computers now. So computers cannot understand the human language. That's why when you type something, the information is going to convert it into the mission readable language. Like that, a network cannot understand the human readable language. So that's why we need a domain name system. That system should work and the system should translate the domain what the humans have entered that should be translated into the IP address and mission readable language and networking readable language. So then we will get the information according to the host you have asked the information. So this is the real use of the DNS. So examples of the DNS are such as A, CA, NME, and MX place. A vital role in the mapping domain names to the IPs. So DNS lookup, NS lookup also we can use here, and resolution process will be also discussed in this lab today. So using up the NS lookup. NS lookup is you can use in the command prompt. It is an inbuilt one. So we are going to use the NS lookup in this lab, and using the NS lookup, how we are going to get the DNS servers of the different type of the domains, and of course we are going to get the domains of this our computer and other systems also. So what is this IP configure? IP configure nothing but the if you use this command in the command prompt, we are going to explore the advanced commands of the computer like IPv4 address, what is the internet address, and what we are using, network troubleshooting. All we are going to get by using the command of IP configure. So now tracing with the DNS with Wireshark. This is the third step in the Wireshark lab of the DNS. So first of all, we go to see the Wireshark lab of DNS. So this is a file which we have downloaded from the computer networking by Jim Carus. So from there you can also download this file. So in this lab, what they are saying is first one is the NS lookup. So what is mean by NS lookup? How the NS lookup is going to retrieve the different type of the domain names, and when we are using the NS lookup in a command prompt, how we are using the domains as domains in the last and how we are going to get the information of that domain. We are going to see now. So for that one, open our command prompt. So let me use NS lookup here. So I want to get the information of some of the college. Like so, I have already captured the DNS of the college. So here you can see. So I want to get the information of this college and what is the network they are using, what is the IP address of this college, all this one. So here you can see the server is the gpn.net, the address is the FP4:1. GPN you cannot find this.ac.in, but where is issue? So here you can also find the NS lookup. So here you can also see. So like this we are going to get some of the information according to the thing. So for example, let me check another one. So here you can see this is the one of the domain. So this domain I have got as this one. So for example, check for any other domains like so let's check for all are using Instagram. So let's check for the Instagram here. open any this one. So let me wait for a second. So next I am going to select this domain DNS. Then I am going to use as an. So here you can see. So copy this command DNS. Then open in the command prompt. So use ns lookup command and paste this one. So let me remove this one. So enter. So here also you can get the same thing. Server I am using is VPN.net and the address is FP80 So like this you can also get the different type of the information of the DNS using the ns lookup command. So what they are doing? So run this command. So we can run this command using ns lookup. So let me run for this one. ns lookup command. So here this information is going to be given by the DNS server because we are selecting the some of the thing. So GPN maybe is not that yes. So but we are otherwise we could have written this one. Like I will show you first I have got the information of DNS which first I have gone through. I got the answer. So when I have used for the first time of this one, I have used the NS lookup of some of the countries. That is I have used as an Instagram. For Instagram I have used. Here you can see for Instagram I have got the address as 172.16.0.55. So here you can see the address. So different address you can go and aliases also you can go. So I have used the Instagram. First I have used the Instagram here. So but now the server is not responding. So second command is ns lookup type ns method. This one you can also run using the command prompt. So this what this ns lookup type ns will use means this type ns gives the domain correctly accurately. So if you want the authorized DNS server, so authorized DNS server also will be given by this server because using of the type. So what type of the DNS that is using that we can get here, that is .in, .com, .uk, like that. Anything you can get here. So the third command is ns lookup www.ad. So this command which gives us the information of the technologies in the Korea. It is an advanced institute in information technology in Korea. They are going to give the information on the DNS server. So in the first lab, what they are saying, run the NS lookup to obtain the IP address of the web server in Asia. So anything you can run here, like Instagram, anything, because they comes under in the Asia. So run NS lookup to determine the authoritative DNS server for an university in Europe. So for example, take the Oxford University. So I want to know the Oxford University address. Then I will run as an here you can see I have run the Oxford University. I have got the answer Oxford University. So the DNS cannot server is unknown, but the address I have got for them is I have used the DNS of the Oxford University. You can see here oxforduniversity.ac.uk because it is in the United Kingdom. So next I have used the so here they ask for the Yahoo. Using the Yahoo mail, get the IP address of the that university in Europe. So we have done that one. So now we are going to use the IP configure. So I have said that already said what is mean by IP configure, how we are going to get the different type of the domain names on about the system, all the configuration of the about the system what you are using that are going to be given by this IP configure. So let me run for this IP config. So sorry. So here you can see. So what the media I am using, what is the Ethernet I am using, what is the DNS server name, spc.com, and what is the media state, and all I have got here. But I am not using the IP config all. So now I use IP config all now. Then I get all the information here. So here you can see. This is the full information of my computer. What a computer of my system. What is the Ethernet I am using, overall media using Ethernet address, laptop IP address, source address, and the different type of the Ethernet information and physical information, media transfer information. Everything of the system information is going to get using the IP configure all. So here you can see the information how I got here about the using the command IP information all. So use the command that is IP configure display DNS. So we will use this one here. Simply run in the command prompt. So here you can see display DNS, that is window IP configuration. So because I am using the Windows, that's why it is shown as an IP Windows configuration. So why I am using this one means to get the command prompt correctly. So third we will use third one. So what is the third one saying? Flushing DNS. Flushing the DNS caching means clear all the entries and reload the entries of the host runs. So let me run this one for you. IP in the configuration successfully flushed the DNS is our cache. So the information which is stored by my Windows now, all the information will get flushed here, and the storage will be very free. So now the third point is we are going to trace with the DNS with the WireShark. Same thing I am going to say here, tracing DNS to the WireShark. How we are going to use the DNS in the WireShark and how we are going to capture the packets of the DNS and trafficking photo packets of the DNS using the WireShark, and how we capture and analyze the DNS trafficking and applying the filters to focus on the specific data of the DNS we are going to see now. So what they are saying, use the configure to. So let me do this one. So first of all, I have to know about the DNS of my computer, DNS server name of my computer. So I will use this one. So here you can see IPv4 address is 172.168. So let me copy this one. So what they are saying is open the WireShark and open the WireShark. First you have to capture the packets. So Ethernet 2 I am using here. So start capturing the packets. Wait for some time. Then now here we are using the DNS server, server of my computer source address. So the computer source address will be given by the DNS IP configure all. So the packets which are captured by my computer and the information of my computer, all the packets are going to capture here. So here again you can see what they are saying. They are saying nothing. Just open your web browser. So they are also saying if you are unable to run that one, then you can also open this file. So if you open the file, you will get this one. This will be related to the next one. So if you are unable to capture the packets by your own and the right capture the packets, so you can also use this one. And using this one, then you can copy this one. So you can open command prompt. So command prompt ns lookup, paste this one. So now we are going to get the information of this portal. So server I am using, and what is the address? This is the FE80 is to 1. So all this I am going to get here. So let me see here. WireShark packets are already captured. Let me go. And in display filter, I am using the filter called as IP address. It is equal to now this one 172.16.16.78. So here you can see these are the information of the packet which are captured by computer. So you can see in the command prompt what are they captured here. Here you can see I have used a filter with IP configure. So according to that configuration, the packet which are captured here you can see. So we also use the protocol. So you can line-wise see the what are different protocols captured here. TCP protocol, HTTP protocol, and many more different protocols captured here. So you can see application client hello, application data, and the server hello certificate. All these are going to capture here, and the information of the capturing packets you can see here. I think some of the questions are given. Look at the DNS query and the response messages. Are they sent over UDP or TCP? DNS. Are they sent over UDP or TCP? So any query message I'm going to select here. Then you can see here user data protocol. They are UDP. They have used the UDP protocol. They have sent over the packets using the UDP protocol, not the TCP. So what is the destination port of the DNS query message? Destination port. So this is the standard query message. It is the response message. So they have asked for the port name or the destination port. Here you can see source port is 64443 and the destination port is 53. Destination port is 53 and the source port is 6443. So like that you can answer all the questions. This is a very simple answer type, and what are the different answers you can also get by using this one. So this is the TCP SIM packets. How the TCP SIM packet means where you can get the TCP SIM packets. Here in this response info you will get the TCP as SIM. So then you can select that one. Here you can see this is the column and this is the SIM. So you can select this one and you can get the information according to that one. So now stop the going for the next one. So now use what they are saying. Start packet capturing. Use NS lookup on the MIT.edu stop packet capture. So now this is the DNS server. For this DNS server, we will get a specified DNS address. So that address we have to now go to the filter capturing, and there we have to use that one. So let me remove this one. Then again capture the packets again. So what they are saying, use the MIT dot. This one they are using. Saying to use. So let me copy this one. Open the command prompt. So NS lookup. Use this one. So here you can see I got some message. So let me check for this one in the WireShark. So I have got some of the ID address. Then go to this one. So what is the information I have got here? Then IP dot address is equal to 198. In the comment prompt I have got something also. 192.168. Something I have got in the comment prompt. .145. So the packets are now retrieving the data. So let me wait for some time. Then we will get the information about this one. So this is the response message we will get using the command prompt. So these are some of the questions according to them. If you are unable to run this DNS query using the WireShark, and if you are unable to uh, capture the live packets, then here is a zip file you can see here. You can download zip file and you can extract all the zip files, all the content present in this one. Then what you have to do is, this is a predefined data, means one of the professor or any the correctly done member capture the packets of the DNS, that is DNS ethereal trace 2. Then you can open this file. So this file gives the accurate access value without you, if you are unable to capture the live packets. So these are some of the questions you can run. You can see in the WireShark by using this one. So very simple questions you can use, that is NS lookup type MIT.edu. If you run this question, you will get an IP address. So you, in the display filter packets of the WireShark, you should add this IP address. Then the IP address will be directly redirected using the command prompt and the WireShark. So the packets are captured according to that IP address. Then you can answer these questions. So now you can see here, filtering traffic with the WireShark is completed by using the IP address. IP address of some specified DNS server. We are going to get the traffic of some specified DNS. So in conclusion, we can say that the DNS it is by using the NS lookup and IP configure, and we are going to get the DNS domain name server systems address and the IP address we are changing. So we are changing from the human readable language to the machine readable language, that is network readable language. So to get the information from the network or from the server, it should be developed or delve into the network readable language. That's why we need the use of the DNS here. So I think you have understood.